Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. Today, I want to share my story with you. It is about my family and how I practice English every single day. This story is not just about learning a language. It is about daily life practice and how small steps can change your future. So, listen carefully until the end. My loving family. I live in a small town. My home is simple, but it is full of love. My family is small, with only 3 members. My father, my mother, and me. We are not rich, but we are very happy. My father, he is a hardworking man. Every morning, he wakes up before sunrise to go to work in an office where he helps many people. Even when he is tired, he never complains. He smiles and says, "Remember, hard work always brings success." My mother, she is very kind and loving. She takes care of our home and cooks delicious food every day. She always helps me with my homework. When I feel sad, she hugs me and says, "Don't worry, my son. Try again, you will do better." Her words give me courage. I study at a school in my town. It is not very big, but it is very nice. The classrooms are clean. There's a playground for football and cricket, and a library full of books. My teachers are excellent. They explain lessons slowly and always encourage us. My favorite subject is English. I like it because it connects me to the whole world. My English teacher is very friendly and always tells us, "English is not difficult. You just need practice." Every day, I follow my teacher's advice to improve my skills. Here's my routine. At school, I speak English with my friends. We sometimes laugh at our mistakes, but we keep going. After school, after finishing my homework, I start my English practice. Reading and writing. I read 1 short story and write 5 new words, using each in a sentence. Speaking. I read my sentences loudly to improve my speaking. Listening. I watch English cartoons or short videos and try to copy their style. Family time. At night, I tell a story in English to my father. He encourages me even when I forget words. Every Sunday, I make a weekly plan in my notebook. Read at least 1 page every day. Write 5 new words and make sentences. Speak to myself in English. Listen to English audio or video. My big goal, I want to speak English fluently, travel to other countries, and learn about new cultures. My dream is to become an English teacher and write my own stories to inspire children around the world. If I can learn English, you can too. I used to be very shy and afraid to speak. But now I try every day. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. My advice to you, read 1 page every day. Write 1 sentence every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Do not feel shy or afraid. Mistakes are our steps to success. One day, you will speak English with confidence. I believe in myself, and I believe in you. Thank you for listening to my story. Please keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. See you in my next story. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.